अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा जो है वो थर्ड क्लास है, डिवीजन क्लास ऑफ फिजिकल स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर की। तो फर्स्टली हमने डिस्कस करना है जो हमारे पास है टिपिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड। Solid, we are well known about the solid. Solids have definite shape and volume. It is the most common in the nature. So its typical properties: first one is the melting point, rigidity; second one, and the density; third one. Melting point. What is the melting point? Temperature at which solid starts to melt. Solid starts to melt and coexist in dynamic equilibrium with the liquid state. So we can say that solid on melting convert into the liquid, and liquid on freezing convert into the solid. And next one is the rigidity. In this rigidity definition, solid are not mobile. Are not mobile. It means the molecules of solid are not freely moved, and they are closely packed and tightly bound to each other and connected to each other. Have fixed positions. It's mean fixed position. And solid are rigid. So we contain solid and rigid. The next one is the density property definition. Firstly, solid has greater density as compared to liquid density and the gas density. The next one is the due to closely why solid contains high density. The reason behind of this, due to closely tightly packing of molecules are tightly packed, are linked together strongly, so they have high density and do not have empty spaces, so they contain a large density, high value of density. The density of aluminium is the 2.70 GCM cube, while the density of iron 7.86, and the density of gold is 19.3 GCM cube. Next one is the typical types of solids. There are majorly two types of solid: crystalline solids and the amorphous solid. Crystalline means particular shape. It means crystalline solids have particular shape, and the amorphous means other one shapeless. Amorphous means shapeless. In the crystalline form, particular are arranged in three-dimensional pattern. Particular are arranged in the three-dimensional pattern. It means कि जो particles होते हैं वो हमारे पास three-dimensional pattern के अंदर arrange होते हैं. Well, in the amorphous solid, particles are not arranged in any pattern. It means there is no any pattern of arrangement of atom in the amorphous solid. And the next one is the difference between crystalline solid and the amorphous. Crystalline have regular shape. It means the molecules have regular shape, while other in the amorphous solid do not have regular shape, but they have irregular shape. And the next one is the definite surfaces and faces. इनके definite surface और faces angles वगैरह होते हैं. While in the amorphous not have definite surfaces or faces, and the other one have sharp melting and boiling point. Crystalline solid have sharp melting and boiling point, while amorphous do not have sharp melting point and boiling point. What mean sharp melting points and boiling points? Like water जो है वो हमारे पास molecule है, तो उसका जो freezing point है वो 0 डिग्री है, boiling point जो है वो 100 डिग्री है. ठीक है, वो मतलब वो हमारे पास जो है वो फिक्स होते हैं, जबकि amorphous के अंदर जो है वो हमारे पास फिक्स नहीं होते. तो लाइक ग्लास का जो है मेल्टिंग बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वो फिक्स नहीं है. In the crystalline solids are example diamond है, sodium chloride है, and well in the amorphous solids have plastics, rubber and glass etc. These are the examples of amorphous solids. The next one is the allotropy. Allotropy means exist one of an element more than in one form. More than in one form यानी कि एक एलिमेंट जो है वो एक से ज़्यादा शक्ल के अंदर ज़ाहिर हो रहा है विद इन द सेम फिजिकल स्टेट. फिजिकल स्टेट उसकी में सेम रहेगी. एग्जांपल लाइक हमारे पास जो है वो सल्फर है, S8 रोम्बिक शेप में होता है, वेल अप टू 96 डिग्री. When in temperature above on the up to 96 degree, it converts into the monoclinic. In this rhombic and monoclinic, the arrangement of atom just change. So this physical state remain constant, but the arrangement of atom change. Okay, allotropy is due to टू रीजन है मेजर जिनकी वजह से एलोट्रोपी काज आउट होती है. फर्स्ट वन इज द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ टू आर मोर काइंड ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ एन एलिमेंट having each different number. Two or more kind of molecules but have different number of atoms, like oxygen gas has O2 while ozone O3. In this oxygen contains 2 atoms while ozone contains 3 atoms of oxygen. The next one, allotropy can be caused by different arrangement of 2 or more atoms, like in the S8 and S8 same molecules but have different arrangement of atoms. So in this rhombic structure, while in this monoclinic above to 90-60 degree. So such as sulfur shows allotropy due to different arrangement of molecules, like sulfur 8 rhombic shape, and the above to 96 temperature sulfur contain the monoclinic structure. And the next one is the transition temperature, the temperature at which one allotrope changes into another. द टेम्परेचर ये वो टेम्परेचर होता है जहाँ पे एक हेलोट्रोपिक जो है वो दूसरी एलिट्रोपिक फॉर्म के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो रही थी. लाइक यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो था सल्फर के लिए 96 डिग्री था, जिसके ऊपर वो below of the 96 has rhombic structure, while above in the 96 temperature it has monoclinic structure. Okay, next one is the example. Transition temperature for the sulfur is 96 degree to below 96. Sulfur exists in the rhombic shape, while in the above 96 temperature sulfur exists in the monoclinic shape. And the next one example is the phosphorus to 50 degree temperature is the transition for phosphorus P4. It exists white at below of the 250 degree temperature, while in the above of the red convert into the red form. Transition temperature of tin 13.2 degrees Celsius. Tin exists in gray and cubic shape at below of the 13.2 degree temperature, while in the above of the 13.2 degree temperature tin convert into the white and have shape tetragonal. The next one is the important show question. What is the difference between white phosphorus and the red phosphorus? White phosphorus is the very reactive, poisonous and waxy solid, while red phosphorus less reactive, non-poisonous and brittle powder. यानी कि वैक्सी सॉलिड होता है, लाइक जो जैसे हमारे पास वैक्स कैंडल वगैरह होती है वो इस तरह का वैक्स लिक्विड होता है, सॉलिड होता है. वेल ये ब्रिटल मीन जो सिंपली मतलब ब्रेक हो सकता है, तो इस तरह का ब्रिटल पाउडर होता है. Okay guys, if you have any question you can ask me in the comment and I will respond you in a short time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like and share with your friends for great knowledge. Allah Hafiz.